I am Michael Quigley from Kataholos. I want to help you to be consistently highly motivated. So I'm on location tonight, and just to prove I don't live by my desk, I want to show you 3 of my top motivational quotes that I love in my life that really help me. Hopefully they can help you, but then also things that you can do to find your own motivational quotes. So why do you need motivational quotes? Basically because we'll have lots of thoughts, thousands of thoughts every single day, and most of them just habitual. They go round and round, or the negative habitual, they go round and round. You want something that can either anchor you, say, hey, shut up, stop, think of this, or something that can really big you up or really excite you, So here's my first one, and I love this one so much. Hope has 2 beautiful daughters: anger at the way things are, and then courage to do something about it. I don't actually know where that originally came from. I've looked at many places. So if you ever feel a bit despondent and dispirited, just think, well, I don't like this thing the way it is, and you get a bit angry, and then have the courage to do something about it. The second one is a beautiful one, which I've learned through speaking Spanish. It's called merece la pena, which basically translates into English as it's worth the pain. The things are worth the pain. So if you're going through something difficult, you're doubting yourself, you're struggling, and you're like, what do I do? Where do I go? You just ask yourself, is it worth it or not? Is it worth this pain? So you go into the gym. Is it worth putting the effort? You're talking to that particular awkward person. Is it worth it? The things you're making the effort for. And if it's not worth it, maybe you can stop it. But if it is, it stops you thinking, how long do I have to do this? How difficult it is? You just say, I'm in. It's worth the effort. Merece la pena. So I'm in. All right. That's really, really helped me. That I just reflect. Is it worth the effort? Yeah. Then get on with it. Is it not? No. Then maybe stop it. And the third one, which is a beautiful one. There's so much to it, but I give you the end of the quote, and it says, "Your greatest hour awaits you. Ensure you're ready for it." And that's Greg Plitt. He was a former fitness model. He came from the military and put that kind of disciplined mindset into fitness, and I love that. And that's the way I try and live my life and build things for you with Kataholos, is that I believe my greatest hours and your greatest hours are to come. So the effort that I'm putting in now is meaningful, it's building towards something, because a lot of people sometimes think, life is good and it's just going to go downhill. Why does it have to be like that? Do you not think that by the efforts you're putting in today, you might be building in a better tomorrow? It's definitely true for me. The things I'm enjoying now have only come because a lot of it is grace and luck, to be honest. But the efforts combined, created something that I get to enjoy now. So just think about that. Your greatest hour, it wasn't 5 years ago, it wasn't when you were a kid, it's to come. And then it makes you think, whoa, what can I do that can make those greatest hours? So final thing is like kind of 3 top tips for if you think, well, they're cool, but how do I get my own motivational quotes? First thing, find something you're really interested in. It could be a hobby, something to do with work, and just Google people that have done that. So it could be football, it could be politics, religion, whatever you're interested in, and just Google that and then write quotes into it, and come up with all sorts of people that have been and achieved and been the way you want to be. And it'd be very inspiring. Second thing you can do is think about your values that are really important to you: integrity, loyalty, ambition, honesty, fairness, whatever it is. And again, type those into Google with the word quotes, and you'll find people that live your values. So you think, I like her, she's just like me, and you can check out some quotes from them. And the third one, to be honest, is I'd recommend always having a quote that just reminds you how special you are. It's not always about achievement. It's not always like, I'm going to love myself when I've done X. It's like, well, I just love myself already. So I'd recommend just Googling things like natural stats about being alive, and just for you to be able to say, wow, the odds of me actually being here are this, or did you know this, or this. Just look where I am tonight. The beautiful nature reminds me I'm part of something. I don't have to try and achieve anything. I don't have to earn it. The tree doesn't say, nope, you're not ready for this. You're a part of something. You're part of something special. So I hope you enjoyed the motivational quotes, and I hope it's helpful for you in understanding how to pick your own quotes. If you want to know any more, just reach out to me, send me a comment about it. Make sure if you're watching this on YouTube to subscribe to Kataholos YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. And stay motivated. All right. How beautiful is this?